If you're wondering how to post a manual journal in Xero, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the process quickly, step by step, so you can get the hang of it, even if you're new to Xero. By the end of this video, you'll be comfortable posting manual journals and using them for all your accounting needs. Before we dive in, did you know you can access Xero for free through our exclusive link below? You'll even get some bonuses just for signing up, so be sure to check that out. Now, let's get into how to post a manual journal. A manual journal is used when you need to adjust your financial records for things like corrections, accruals, or depreciation. It's important to make sure that your financial statements are accurate, and posting a manual journal in Xero is an easy way to do that. First, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Once you're in, navigate to the accounting menu at the top of the page. From there, select Manual Journals under the Advanced section. This is where you'll manage all of your journal entries. To create a new manual journal, click the New Journal button. You'll be prompted to fill in a few details, including the journal date and a reference. The journal date should reflect when the transaction actually took place, and the reference helps you identify the journal later. Next, you'll need to enter the accounts involved in the journal entry. For example, if you're adjusting an expense account or recording income, you'll select the appropriate accounts from your chart of accounts. You'll also input the amounts for each account. Be sure to debit and credit the accounts correctly. If you're not sure which accounts to use, Xero makes it easy to search for them within the interface. Now, here's an important tip. Double-check the debits and credits. The total debits must always equal the total credits, or Xero won't allow the journal to post. If they don't match, you'll see an error message telling you to fix it before you can save. Once everything looks good, you can add a description in the narration box. This is helpful for future reference, so you can remember the purpose of the journal entry, like year-end accrual adjustment or tax correction. After reviewing your journal, click Post. That's it. Your manual journal is now recorded, and your accounts will be updated accordingly. Keep in mind that while manual journals are powerful tools, you should use them carefully. They bypass the usual transaction flow, so always double-check your entries to avoid any mistakes. And if you ever need to edit a journal, Xero allows you to make changes by simply selecting the journal and clicking Edit. If you're looking to streamline your accounting even more, Xero offers automation features that can save you time and effort. But for now, posting manual journals is a great starting point to get comfortable with the software. Just to recap, Xero makes it easy to post manual journals by selecting accounts, entering the amounts, and ensuring your debits and credits balance. Don't forget that Xero is free to try through the link below, along with our exclusive bonuses. If you're serious about simplifying your accounting, this is the perfect place to start. Thanks for watching.